So, ma'am, most of the patients like obese, I can see like lot of obese are there now, different lifestyle. Like they'll be sitting and working for a long time, and we can see that obese. So, what kind of obese should maintain the diet actually?
Yeah, the obesity person, they should like work also, I mean exercise also, and then yeah, they should not mainly focus. We love to eat junk foods like pizza, KFC.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
we love to eat all those, but we should limit the intake of that. And then we love to eat deep fried foods. Yeah, we should decrease the intake of deep fried foods also. And then we should decrease the intake of sugar and then fats. Yeah, we should decrease the intake of saturated fats also, like butter, geese. Yeah, those are the things which we love the most, like cheese. Yeah, we should decrease the intake of that.
So, obesity people like what kind of diet they can have to reduce weight naturally? I'm saying.
Yeah, naturally, I prefer like vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah, vegetables. If they are non-vegetarian obesity person, then they can have meat, but then not every day.
Okay.
Yeah, not every day. If they want to have meat, they can have in the morning, because after eating having our lunch, we walk, we don't sit, we don't sleep.
Yes.
So yeah, in the lunch they can have meat, they can have fish, but in the night for the dinner, I prefer vegetable foods. Yeah, or they can have pulka, roti, which are high in fiber. So yeah, I prefer those. And for the non-vegetarian, they can have maybe twice a week. Yeah, not more than that. Yeah, to decrease the obesity. So yeah, they can have twice a week for the non-vegetarian, for the meats, for the fish, yeah, for the muttons.
So, how we can make our life healthy with healthy diet?
With healthy diet, like I said, we should mainly focus on. We should not mainly focus on the fried foods like the pizza, or like the junk foods, or like the sweets. We love to eat sweets like rasgulla, and all those stuffs. Yeah, we can eat, but then not access to that. Like maybe one piece, it will be fine. But then yeah, not more than that. And it is not required to eat daily also. Yeah, we can decrease the intake of sweets, mainly the sweets, the fats, and yeah, the carbohydrates. If we decrease the intake of those, then we will decrease our weight.
ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం తప్పకుండా మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.